Hello, welcome to part 2 of our video series on transforming your face with a natural facelift using facial acupressure. In the previous video, we explored the fascinating world of facial acupressure and learned 3 exercises to lift and brighten your face. Today we'll continue our journey and discover 3 additional acupressure points for facial rejuvenation. Acupressure is a non-invasive yet highly effective technique that harnesses the power of specific acupoints to promote energy flow and circulation in your face. By focusing on these key points, we can further enhance the natural lift and glow of your skin. Remember, as you move through each acupressure point, take deep, relaxing breaths to promote blood flow and encourage muscle relaxation. Harness the power of these acupoints to unlock your true radiance and achieve a natural facelift without invasive procedures. My video, Transform Your Face with a Natural Facelift, Part 1, covered 3 powerful acupuncture points for face rejuvenation. In the next few minutes, we will explore 3 additional acupressure points and unlock the secrets to a more youthful and vibrant appearance. Be sure to use a comfortable pressure that does not hurt or cause discomfort. My name is Dr. Baritz. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, herbalist, and I'm certified in acupoint physical medicine and pet acupressure therapy. I've helped thousands of people live healthier and happier lives, and I want to help you too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos like this come out. The first point is located a little bit below your eye. This point is known as 4 whites. To locate this point, look directly ahead in the mirror and find the bone that is directly below the pupil of your eye. Right here. Now, move down that bone until you come off it and come into a softer area right here. That is the point. On the skull model, the bone below the eye is right over here. And coming off the bone, we come into a soft area right down here. I do not recommend pressing hard here because it can be very tender. Apply light pressure in a circular motion for 1 to 2 minutes like this. Inhale and exhale slowly as you massage this point. Now find and treat this point below your other eye. This point is great for dark circles or puffiness under the eyes. It is traditionally used to relieve eye pain, eye redness, eye twitching, and facial pain. The next point for facial acupressure is located next to your nose. This point is known as the welcome fragrance point. First, find the flare at the end of your nose, right over here. Now find the midpoint right here. Then move sideways till you come to the nasolabial groove. The nasolabial groove is the groove that is between your nose and goes down to the side of your mouth. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the point. Apply light pressure in a circular motion for 1 to 2 minutes like this. Inhale and exhale slowly as you massage this point. Now find and treat this point on the other side of your face. This acupressure point can help reduce smile lines and is traditionally used for nasal congestion, nosebleed, facial swelling, and nasal polyps. The third point for today is located on your cheeks. This point is called the dimple point. First, look at the outer corner of your eye right here. Now come down. You'll be going over the cheekbone. Continue down till you cross over the bone and come to a soft area like this. Right here. On the skull model, the cheekbone is right over here, and the soft area below it is right here. Push in till you find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the point. Apply light pressure in a circular motion for 1 to 2 minutes, like this. Inhale and exhale slowly as you massage this point. Now find and massage this point on the other side of your face. This point can be used to lift the cheeks and is traditionally used for facial pain, facial swelling, and toothache. For a more youthful looking face, I recommend that you find and activate 4 whites, the welcome fragrance point, and the dimple point 3 times a day for 30 days, then use as needed thereafter. The next step to improve your appearance is to reduce fatigue. I've put my video here. Check it out.